Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore something really cool
Whoa.
about stories. It's all about character development. Are you ready? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what character development means. Think of it like a journey. A character is like a hero or a friend in a story. At the beginning, they might be one way, but as the story goes on, they change. Sometimes they get braver, learn lessons, or even make new friends. Let's break it down into 3 parts: the beginning, middle, and end of our character's journey.
Whoa!
In the beginning, we meet our character. For example, imagine a little girl named Lily who is afraid of the dark. This is who she is at the start. Now, in the middle of the story, something happens. Maybe Lily goes on an adventure where she has to face her fear. With each challenge, she learns and grows. We get to see how she changes.
Whoa!
Finally, at the end of the story, Lily has changed. She might now be brave enough to explore her room at night. That's character development. Why is this important, you ask? Well, when characters develop, it makes stories more interesting. We get to learn about their feelings and see what they can overcome. It helps us connect with them. Let's look at some examples. Think of a story like Finding Nemo. The clownfish Marlin starts off very scared, but by the end, he becomes brave to rescue his son. Or how about in Frozen? Elsa learns to accept who she is and becomes more confident.
Wow!
Now, I have a fun challenge for you. The next time you read a book or watch a movie, pay attention to how the character changes. Ask yourself, what challenges do they face? How do they grow? It's like being a detective.
Whoa!
Character development makes stories come alive. I hope you enjoyed learning about it today. Don't forget to share your favorite characters and how they developed in the comments below. Thanks for joining us, and see you in the next video. Bye for now!